an amazing fried rice dish from our cookbook, The Family That Cooks Together. It is perfect for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
It's crispy, flavorful, and so filling. Let's get started.
So we're gonna start here with a hot wok. It's gonna have some oil, have a little garlic, carrots and onions, and stir, stir, stir.
And you want to make sure you get the garlic all broken up around so it's not like a big chunk.
Let me add some salt to that. Here you go. It's my contribution, some salt and pepper.
Oh, I sometimes add like some diced up chicken for dinner, like some grilled chicken or some grilled salmon.
But in this case, our protein is eggs,
Our
right?
protein is eggs. We add extra eggs.
So what's really important about cooking, when you're cooking a dish, any dish, breakfast, lunch, or dinner, is mise en place, right? So everything's here in front of us. We're not running to the pantry or looking for stuff. That's a big mistake. And what it does is it stresses people out. They make mistakes and then they don't like to cook. I am convinced that the majority of people, if they just got everything ready in front of them first, then cooked by the recipe, is much easier and more fun. Are we ready to add?
Yeah, we're ready
Let's
to
go.
add. Anyone add? Yeah.
So we're just gonna add the peas, everything in order. Try to get it in the pan. And then we're gonna add the rice. That's good. I think that's good.
Yeah.
So when we order takeout, we always ask for brown rice. And they send so much, I don't know why. I mean, it's
Well, I
always,
think you can make this.
I know, we can make it for
After.
days. You're gonna get this about 5 minutes like this. It's nice high heat, don't forget. Just so it gets really, really hot. And if you leave it, it gets sticky a little bit, it's okay.
That's okay because you get
Sticky rice, right?
Yeah.
It's fine. All right, what else next? You add the rest?
Yeah.
Okay, a little sesame oil, and a little ponzu, and some soy sauce. So it's a little wet now, but that's good. We're getting all the heat of that is getting it's all sort of evaporating and getting into the rice and getting into the veg and the onion.
Dad always makes this to have like an important test or something or like
Brain power.
midterms.
All right, let's do our secret egg mixture. Okay, so for the eggs, make a little well
Yeah.
and let it sit there and don't mix it in. You're just gonna let it sit
And let it cook.
and let it cook a little and mix it just in its own little self instead of spreading it around. And it's much easier to throw it all around like at once, but let me tell you, you gotta keep stirring and stirring. This way you get to cook that little egg volcano, as I like to call it.
And it doesn't get overcooked.
And it doesn't get overcooked. Exactly right. But anytime you feel like it, you can just like start to incorporate the rice.
Little by little.
Yeah, now go full bore, and then your breakfast rice is now coming together. Now the eggs and everything is forming that really gooey, wonderful flavor.
So good.
Pretty soon when the water's out, right, that moisture is gone, you can tell because it stops steaming, right? Then it's done. You can serve it right in this vessel if you want to bring it to the table, and guess what, it stays hot. Look at that, right? So we're gonna garnish. This is green onions, which is a fancy name for scallions.
We have some cilantro.
Cilantro and some sesame seed.
And if you don't like cilantro or the scallions, you can always leave it off.
You see it's getting a little crispy there on the edge?
Yeah.
Oh man. Rach, wish you were here.
Ooh, hot. Ooh. Oh, it's good though.
Once you master breakfast fried rice, you can put anything in this and it's going to be delicious. This is all about leftovers. It's all about yumminess. And I wish you were here, but we're going to eat this in your honor. See you later.
Bye.